we'll understand what is ideal switch and what is practical switch. So in a simple comparison, we can say that ideal switch is a lossless switch and practical switch means losses will be there. So here I have shown that 4 graph. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 graph will represent the different characteristics of ideal switch and practical switch. Graph 1 and 2 represent the characteristics of ideal switch. Here we can see in the graph 1 we can see that current is there is some current is there but voltage is 0. So we can say, so in case of that off state of a ideal switch voltage is 0, that current can be minus infinity, high, infinity. So this is the condition. So for that off state of a ideal switch, so that's why what will happen now. So because of that, P of is equal to 0 as voltage is 0. Now if we see the characteristics of on state, so here that current is 0 but voltage has some value. So what we can write, that current is 0, that voltage will be minus infinity to infinity. So this is the condition. So here also P on is equal to 0 as current is 0. So from the ideal switch you can say that power loss is 0 in case of a off state and on state. Now if we see the practical switch, that graph 3 and 4. So if we compare that graph 3 and 4 with the graph 1 and 2, so here some values, it is showing some values. This represents some values, means here in case of that off state of a practical switch, V not equal to 0, and here in the on state current not equal to 0. So that's why this P off also not equal to 0 and P on is also not equal to 0. So that's why there will be some delay in the switching. So this is the basic comparison of a ideal switch and practical switch. So in case of that practical switch, by applying some control signal, by applying appropriate control signal, we can turn on and turn off that switches.